I just wanted to make a quick video. I'm very cautious right now because I was buying Nas 100 about. Let me close the screen a little bit. I was buying Nas 100 at around this price a couple weeks ago at 29. Oh, there it just happened. It just happened. It just happened. The breakout just happened. I was That's my 15-minute line. We just broke out a 15-minute orb and now we're skyrocketing. I wish I stayed in that trade. I'd probably be up a couple hundred, but I played it real safe today. I wasn't trying to take no major risks. I didn't get in many contracts today. I didn't want to over leverage. I should have stayed in the trade. I got in at around the 10, 12-minute mark. I should have waited I made a little bit of money and then it looked like it was about to break out of the 15-minute zone. So once I seen it breaking out of it, I should have known we were still bullish. But what I did, I caught a quick scalp. I was watching the price action, and I just trade price action most of the time. So like it was going around the 29,300, and it wasn't going below 29,300. So I put an order in at 29,280, but I was too late. I was too late. I knew 300, it was that psychological level, and it bounced down to 279 real quick, and then it shot back, and it never went below 300 again. So 300 was the optimal entry this morning. If you could have got in at 280, you'd be up 100 points right now. I got in at 315, and I rode it up to the resistance, and then I sold. And I only bought one micro because I didn't want to risk my account. And this is usually how it happens when you're about one or two trades away from passing your tests. You try to rush the pass, and then you blow the account. And I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna do that. So when it got back down to when it was around the 320 mark, I knew that I was getting close to where I wanted to enter. So I just went ahead and bought a market because I didn't want to be sitting there waiting for a limit order and it don't fill. So once it got to the zone, I started seeing where these candles were starting to show the selling. The selling was showing some weakness right here, right around here. This is when I got in. I just bought a market, and it put me in at around 315, and I rode that all the way up here, and I sold, and that was my trade for the day. I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades for the day. Right now, I have a buy order right now, but it's all the way down here. It's very low. It's back where I entered at. It seems like we're bullish today. I'm not fucking around. I'm about to take my win and run. As you can see, this account, I'm 700, a little under 700. It's about 685 away from passing this combine. I haven't been taking no major losses. As you can see, it says my average loss is $49. And I'm proud to show that because it just shows that I'm leveling up and I'm not over leveraging, and I'm not losing much. And this is great. It says it's estimated, what is it? Best trade 507, average winning trade $181. I'm not being greedy. I'm taking my base hits, and I'm not trying to win $1,800 a trade. I'm like $180 because I know if I stack these accounts, then 5 accounts, 200 a piece, 1,000 a day, you know 20, 30,000 a month, or every 20,000 every trading month. So, and that's just side money. You know what I mean? Even if I give them that cut, still walking with 15, 16, 17,000. So this is a good place to be. I'm not trying to make millions of dollars doing this. This is just a side hustle. This is just extra money. And once you get into that mind frame where I'm just trying to make $100 a day, then you will do that. And that's what I'm doing right now. You see, I made my 100 this day and I made my 100 this day. And then, other days I'm like, I get a little more aggressive when I'm confident. I see my setup is there. But if my setup isn't there, I'm not about to go in with a whole mini. I'm going in with one micro. And one micro is really all you need to do to pass these tests. People just be getting greedy and they be trying to pass the test in one day. I'm green. I'm all green. You know what I mean? I'm happy to show this account because this is me. This is me as a trader when I'm patient, when I'm focused, when I'm not rushing into trades, when I don't trade, when I'm not hungover, when I don't trade, when I'm sleepy and I don't really feel it 100%. This is me when I'm focused right here. And I know it's not that much money, but I made an extra $2,300 this month so far, just clicking buttons. And that's more than a lot of people make in a month. You know, not to brag and not to say anything. And this is still on this combine, so this money hasn't touched my account yet. And I'm not trying to cap and make it seem like this is on a combine account that I spent $50, $60 on, and I'm about to pass it. And if I trade like this for another week, like this, very bitch ass, very base hitty, then I'm gonna pass this test. And this is all you got to do. Don't over leverage. All you need is one mic. All you need is one micro of NQ to pass these tests. If you see you're down 200, get one more. And if you're really confident in that direction, you see you down 3, 4, 500, just leave the trade and try another day and try another day. And then if you want to try to get that money back the next day, you might want to be more aggressive on the next day and do 2 or 3 contracts, but wait for your setup. You can make that 500 back easily, easily. You know, it's when you start fucking with those minis, it gets crazy very quick. So, yeah, man, another good day of trading, man. It's no bullshit over here. I really do this. I really day trade. I'm not some fucking guy trying to sell you nothing. Eventually, I do want to start selling education as I learn. But yeah, this is a very risky stuff when you're playing with your real money. So, I mean, I recommend playing with these prop firms and practicing with the paper accounts. And then when you're ready, you might want to get in, you know, follow my link and get you a liquid broker account and start playing on the Forex market with like a .01. And then, you know, every time
Order
that,
filled.
oh shit, my order got filled. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I didn't mean to stay in that order. Oh, fuck. I didn't mean to be in this still. Where we at? Where we at? Let's watch this trade. Let's watch this trade. Okay, I'm down $20. It's all good. It's all good. Damn, I meant to close that order and call it a day. We're gonna ride this out, see where this goes. If I lose the 100, I'm about to just close out. Maybe. Let's see what happens. Let's play this out. It's dumping right now. We know this is support down here, so it's usually bouncing off this area. So we're just gonna wait this out. I'm not gonna panic. I'm only in one. I mean, it'd be crazy if it dropped $100 from here. Yeah, I was supposed to call it a day, and I put an order in. I put an order. This is really why I wanted to enter right here. I might want to get another contract right now because it's gonna bounce. It's gonna bounce. I don't think it's gonna flush. I kind of want to get one more con. Let's do it. Let's do it. Well, now let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. No reason to. I like to double down on my contracts when I'm down 200. When I'm down like 200 and I'm still believing the direction, I wait till I'm down 200. I'm not going to do it now because then it's going to put me in a bad position if it continues to drop. So let's just wait to see what happens. Being down $30 ain't nothing. We already up $100 for the day. So I'm not sweating. We're just going to play this trade out. Down 40, 50. It's going to where I really wanted to enter at, which was 29.3. As you can see, I just said that 29.3 is the optimal entry. My original goal was to get in at 29.280. We're going to just sit back and chill. I'm going to take whatever profit and leave for the day. If we get 40, 50 more dollars, it was a good day. I should get another contract though. But like I said, I'm not about to blow this account when I'm a couple trades away from passing it. So let's just be patient. It's still early. It ain't even 7 o'clock. Usually at 7 o'clock, there's a reaction that happens. And who knows, it might be good or bad, but usually people are waking up, their alarm clocks go off, and then they're like, oh, what's going on in the market? And the next thing you know, boom, it shoots up at around 7. So let's just wait this trade out. We're not down much. We're probably down like $20 right now. $50. Okay. Down 50. Ain't too bad. Where we at? We got it at 25. This is really what I should have waited for. 29.3. I could have got back in at 29.3. It's okay. If we go to 29, this is very good entry right here. This is a very good entry. I kind of want to double down. I want to double down. Yeah, I'm doubling down. doubling down.
Order filled.
This is really where I want to be at. So now I'm in at 29,309, which is great. Okay, let's see how this plays out. Okay, yeah, we won it. We in the green now. I want to take at least $100 and I'm out for the day. Another 100 and I'm done. We're right there where we want to be at. At 7 o'clock pump. 1 minute, watch. 7 o'clock pump. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I really just want to walk away from the computer and come back in like 15 minutes. This is good entry right here, if you ask me. This is a great entry. There we go. 7 o'clock. Yeah, if we can hold 300, we're going to pump back up. But if we break like 280, 270, we may flush. I don't really like being in buys in this area because, but uh-oh. Okay, let me set a stop loss too because I don't want to lose more than, let's say 350. Yeah, I don't want to lose more than 350. So let's just try to stay in this trade. Let me put it at 400 because I'm up. Let me put 450 because I'm up. I'm up over 100 already. So we're just going to let this joint play out. Down $40 right now. Down $20. I'm pretty confident in this area. There go 285. That was my entry. That was what I really wanted. Yeah, if we break below this line, right here, it's not a good sign. It's not good. But like I said, I got my stop loss right now. If things don't go my way, I'm gonna lose 350, and then I'm gonna just come back tomorrow. But I think, it's happening. Hold on, let's see something. Okay, we got a long way to go, and this is really what I wanted to buy at 280. I should have waited for it. This is what I really should have waited for. 280. This was my original buy zone earlier when I got in this morning, but I didn't want to wait for it because I don't want to be waiting around too long. But this is where I wanted to be at. But we'll see what happens from here. If it's gonna flush, it would have to go down to 29,200 for me. 29,200 for me to lose. All the way down. It would have to go down another 100 points for me to lose. That's not about to happen. Not right now. The morning just started. The pump is coming. I believe the pump is coming. Just wait for it. We're not about to lose another 100 points, man. I'm tempted to buy another one. This would be even a more optimal entry. It looks like the bounce is starting to happen. I'm tempted. I don't want to be in too heavy though. But if I do get another one, I'm going to be able to make my money quick and get out the market. It's really what I want to do. I don't want to be in here for too long. Down 120. I'm not really sweating. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. When is the bounce going to happen? We might go deep red. We may go deep red right here. 260. We're down 200. That's okay. This is really where I should have bought my second con. 257. We dropping. I kind of want to get another con, but I like where I'm at as far as it needing to drop another 50 points for me to get stopped out. It's dropping. That bitch is dropping. I kind of want to get another one. But this is called buying the falling knife. But this is how you get a better position sometimes. I'm just going to stay right here though, because I don't want to get in too deep. Because then I put myself in a position where if it goes to like 230, I'm going to get stopped out. And it could easily go down to 230 easily before it starts to bounce back. So I'm just going to chill where we're at right now. I'm just going to chill and not sweat. It's only 200. We down. I'm down less than $200 right now. So don't sweat it. This is part of the game. I'm waiting for that reversal. Let's pray the reversal happens, but it looks like this is where I believe it's going to happen. The market's going to bounce. People are waking up. This is really my setup right here. But I jumped in there. This was an accident. I didn't mean to be in this trade still. I made my 100 and I was really done for the day. And this is like what happens when you overtrade. I really didn't mean to be in this trade, but I think I'm going to be able to get out of this right now. It looks like we're having that 7 o'clock bounce is happening. People are starting to wake up and get into their trading. And I think we're going to bounce up and I'm going to be able to leave this trade with some profit. Again, I didn't over leverage too much. It dropped and I'm down a couple hundred, but that's part of the game. Let's just see if we could break back into that 15-minute zone. If we stay under this is going to be kind of scary because it might mean we're going to flush out for the rest of the day. Yeah, we just need a little move up. I don't even need a crazy move up. If we could just get back up to the 330, 340, if we could just get over here, I'm ready to take profit. So I'll say even 350. If we get 350, I'll take profit. I'm just gonna wait this play out. RSI is showing that the oversold activity is ending and we're starting to bounce back up. Only down 150, 160 right now. Yeah, this was really the optimal entry. Really 280, like I was saying earlier, would have been a cool spot to enter. But we're just gonna wait. I'm not gonna panic. We just did a little dumpy dump. And let me see, my guy texting me. He's probably up making money. Yeah, I'm tempted to get another one, but I don't know. It's not a good sign. It looks like we could dump further possibly since we're below that 15-minute line, but another 50 points. I don't know about that before we get a little reversal. I'm just gonna wait this trade out. Like I said, the worst thing, I'll lose 350 and I'll come back tomorrow and try again. But I don't want to lose no more than 350 on this account. We would have to go down to below 200. Probably should just come back in like 15, 20 minutes and see where it's at. Don't stress out. Just be calm. And that's another thing when you're not in too many contracts, you don't have to be sweating. Like, 'cause if I was in 5 right now, I'd be cooked right now. Five micros, I'd be cooked. I'd have got cooked already. Might dump. Let's see what happens. I'm not about to double down though. I'm not about to double down and try to get more contracts to fix my entry. Maybe a good idea. Usually this is when I do it, when I see I'm down 200 on one. But I jumped in on the second one a little too early, a little too hasty because I really want to get out this trade. Yeah, you put them limit orders in, maybe don't forget to close them, because then you could put you in a bad situation. But I'm okay. I'm okay right now. I'm really only down 100 because I already made 100 today. So I'm okay right now. Let's just wait this out. Yeah, it's literally gonna have to break below 200 for me to get stopped out. So, and if once it's 200, probably buyers are gonna most likely step in. But it's holding this 250 level. I just need a little bounce back up. I'm in at 29,309. I mean, that's a little ways, but maybe just give it some time. Yeah, we're near the oversold area. Let's hope some buyers step in. It's my guy calling. Let's see what he has to say. What's up, bro?
Is it right?
Yeah, I'm in a trade right now. I did some bitch ass trading because I'm really close to passing this account. So
I feel that.
I just jumped in one micro, made a quick hundo, and you know,
Nice.
and then I fucked around and made put a limit order in to for a re-entry, and I didn't even plan on it. Re-entered as it was dropping, but I'm in a little trade right now. I'm like down $100 maybe, and I'm just
Yeah.
waiting for it to bounce. It's bouncing off of the oversold area right now, and it's going back up. So I'm just probably gonna
Nice.
take another $50 to $100 and call it a day, and I'll be like maybe 600 to 500 away from passing this combine. So
Yeah.
just taking it slow.
Okay, that's good shit.
Yeah,
Yeah, I got paid earlier. The indicator fired off. First thing in the morning, soon as I clocked in, I was actually late, like 2 minutes late on the entry, low key. That
uh,
shit had fired off like soon as fucking 6:30 hit.
yeah. I knew it was
And
gonna be
shit.
bullish. I knew today was bullish. I started to just enter with like a micro and just let it do what it did. And
Yeah.
it would have pumped. And then if it went down, I was ready to lose 300, but it would have had to go down really far to lose like 300 on
Yes.
one. So
Yeah, one heck yeah.
yeah, so it's almost
Yeah.
like I'm starting to, you really could just jump in. You really could just jump in and just
Low key,
roll a dice.
yeah. If you believe, yeah, nah, damn near. Honestly, if you're going in that small, you can. You dead
Yeah,
ass can.
yeah.
Yeah, that's why I'm like trading with two and shit like that. Sometimes I trade with like four. You know what I'm saying?
You get cooked. You get cooked.
Nah, four ain't too bad though. I mean, you could though, but don't get
Five,
me
four,
wrong.
and
But you
five.
better.
I can deal with it when I get my optimal entry, but when I really can't predict what's gonna happen, I could get in with one and make it work. You
Yeah, like
know?
four is decent entry. One doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like it's not. You don't have to have an optimal entry, but you do gotta have a decent entry one. I
yeah,
mean, four or four.
yeah.
Yeah,
Four.
one
Hell
you can
yeah.
do whatever. Fuck.
You could
Yeah,
just
one you
jump
can just
in.
hop in. Yeah, nigga, I'm in. Yeah, full market open, niggas in
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yeah, just chilling. Yep. All right, well, shit. Let me know how you do. I'm finna go back to sleep.
I got a stop
Shit.
loss at 450. I'm already up 150. So if I lose 350, I'm not gonna cry and I'm gonna just close the computer and go back to my other work. So I'm not
How
on the
much you need to get to pass it?
like another 750, some shit like that. I can do
Oh
that
yeah.
by the end of the week if I just pace myself without
Yeah,
rushing.
exactly. Don't rush it. Yeah, get your
Yeah,
300 or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Aim
yeah,
for 3-4 or whatever.
yeah. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I
Yeah.
know I already see this. It's a psychological game. You know what I mean? It's just a
Yeah.
psychological
Yep.
game. And once you understand the numbers and when you pacing yourself, you're not so antsy, you're calm. I ain't
Yeah,
tripping.
you know it's gonna work. I'm starting to get to the frame where I'm like, oh, I know this shit gonna work. Like, you know what I'm saying? And once you got that mind frame, I feel like you can just relax. Like, what's the rush?
This account, I'm all the way green. I haven't took a loss on this account yet. So if I lose, it wouldn't be. It's time for a loss anyway. But it would have to drop another 55 points for me to get stopped out.
Yeah. Yeah, nah, you good.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait it out. If I get stopped, I guess if I get dealt with, I get dealt with.
Yeah, it's one day. You know what I'm saying? Get it back tomorrow. If that happens, you probably won't though.
I'm gonna just
I
wait.
just see it going back up.
Yeah, I'm gonna just wait.
Yeah, because I feel like if it was gonna go down, the shit should have goddamn crashed already. You
It
know what
did a
I'm saying?
slight crash. I mean, it did a
I mean,
slight.
not a crash. It did it. That's like more of to me, it looked like a pullback to try and get liquidity because it hasn't hit. Even as I'm looking at it now, there's still okay. Yeah, so it's still going kind of down, but I say the lowest is probably like 29.43 is
Yeah,
where liquidity sits. You know what I'm saying? So it probably got to grab liquidity, but it grabbed it from the top. 3 taps on the top.
I just don't like that.
Yeah,
We're
I noticed
under.
I grabbed my shit and got out because it wasn't breaking that top too though. So I mean, it is a possibility you get a little like if it goes past 29.43, I start to get not say worried, but damn near look
Yeah,
more fucking if anything re-entry on the goddamn shoulder or wait.
yeah. I just
Yeah.
I rather just wait it out and see what happens. But I'm
Oh yeah,
already.
you might as well.
Yeah, I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade. If I get stopped out, I just get stopped out. It's I don't think
Yeah.
it's gonna go below 200 right now. The only thing I don't like is the fact that it broke below the 15-minute orb. So now if you break if the rule is if it breaks below it, then we're bearish,
Yeah, yep, exactly.
and it did that. But it's been testing that line lately. So I'm just gonna sit and wait and be patient. I'm not about to panic.
No, hell no. It's a small amounts, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, well shit, hit me up, yo.
All right, I'll be up.
All right, peace.
Yeah, that's my guy. We usually be consulting each other in the morning on trades and asking, if you see anything. So it's good to have people in your circle that trade with you. And he's building indicators and things right now that's working for him. So, we've been grinding it out and progressing as a team. So shout out to my guy Jay. Looks like we're bouncing. I really just want to walk away from the trade because, like I said, whatever happens, happens. Let me go ahead and just put a take profit. Then I just really want to make. If I can make 250, that's not even asking for much. I'll take another 200 and call it a day. Honestly, I know my risk to reward ratio isn't great, but I don't want to be in this trade. I really don't want to be in this trade. This was an accidental entry because I didn't close my limit order. So we're chilling right now. I'm down 230, but like I said, I'm really only down 130 because I already made 100 for today. So let's just sit back and chill. Let's see how this shit plays out.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so my entry had gotten so bad I had to fix it. So I'm up. I'm up right now. I probably should have got out the trade because this wasn't the plan. But I think I'm gonna just ride this shit out. Uh yeah, I was just up. I'm at 29.38 right now. I said 29.30. I'm in 5 cons. So now we playing for real right now. I probably should have got out with that little bit of money and reset, but I still have conviction that I can get out this trade in the green. We did our pullback for the day. Now we're about to shoot up. It's still early in the day, and could easily get this. We just need to break above. I really just need to break above this level. I got my fib set, and I really just need to. If I could just get above this 23% level, then I'm in a good position. Dang, look at that crash that happened. That was wild.
A few moments later.
I'm out of there. I'm out of that trade. I'm out of there. I'm not about to be playing around. And then once you start adjusting your stop loss to $1,000, you're fucking up. You're fucking up, and the trade didn't go well. Look at this, doing what I needed it to do now. The minute I exit, just like usually, just what I said. I wanted it to hit this. I'd be green some hundreds, but it's okay. I left today with a $250 day. Boom, $240. That much closer to passing this combine. I'm taking it slow again tomorrow. I didn't like the position I put myself in. I'm kind of upset I left that trade early because, like I said, it's hitting my joint. It's hitting my. But yeah, 250 is cool. Yeah, I did it, bro. I got out that shit in the green.
Indicators popping off. They're popping off.
It's popping off now too. Yeah, I should have stayed in. I took 150 and got off.
But why are you popping off from? Oh, on the 10 minute. On the 10 minute.
I got out that trade though because I ended up getting in 5 cons.
Oh, you added more?
Yeah, it kept dropping, and I was like, man, either once I realized my position was so fucking horrible, there was nothing I could do but try to fix it and get out. So I ended up buying the falling knife, and I put my stop loss even lower, and then ended up getting out with an extra 150. I would have made like 200-300 if I stayed, but I didn't want to risk it. Doing
Something positive?
huh?
You positive?
250, 240 today, positive.
Oh, yeah. Like, yeah, I was up to like 4 pounds. I'm learning to take these little small.
Yo, I'm telling you, bro, 250 a day keeps the doctor away. Shit,
How fucking tired I was when I took home. Oh, no,
I haven't lost on this account.
and like I'm on 348 on one, 302 on one, 449 on one, and then 294 on my phone.
No red days.
51,000. I have 52,300. Eval, 51,200 on another. 52,300, 51,200. Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, I'm
51,700.
500 away from passing this joint. Yep, and see,
Yeah, that's all.
and see,
This week, you pass it next week.
right where I was saying I wanted to take profit, it crashed. It crashed, bro. And if I didn't, I was right on point. Right where I was gonna take profit at, it hit it, and then it crashed. So I took it early. But see, me knowing how this shit works, I took it before it even hit that shit because I would have felt like a dumbass. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get an extra $100 and then it just does what it's doing now. Yep, I'm done for the day. I'm out of this shit. I made 240. I'm that much closer to passing this test. There's nothing else to do. There's nothing else to do today but get back to work. Get back to my other work. Good shit, man. Well, I'm gonna pass this test this week, man. I'm passing this combine this week. And then I'm gonna get another account. I'm gonna get another account. Well, I do already got another account. I didn't work the other account today. But I'm just gonna focus on this account since it's the closest to passing. And I'm gonna just start pacing this account. And I'm gonna use the profits from this account to just buy more accounts.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's the goal.
It say I'm doing almost 1 to 2s. It say my average losing trade is $92. My average win is 170. So
That's what's up.
hey. I'm 1 to 1.8. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting my 1 to 1s, my 1 to 2s, you know?
Yeah, that's the goal. All right, now go do your thing.
Look at it crashing now, crashing again. All right, man, I'm about to get back to work. I mean, it's at 200. It's at that level. Originally, 200 would have stopped me out, but I had to fix my position. So that's why it's good not to walk away from the trade sometimes, because sometimes you can fix your position and get out of the bad entry that you made.
Yeah.
You know, I'm a strong believer in buying the falling knife to fix your entry.
That shit damn near tap that bottom side of 15-minute or
Yeah.
no, not even.
Yeah, I'm
Like
glad.
in that range.
I'm glad I didn't walk away from the trade and just because I would have been down 350 and I could have I fixed that shit.
Thanks to get out.
All right, I'm done. I'll holler at you later.
All right, Pete.
All right.